What's up, YouTube? It's Jerome Parker, aka Master Shake. Are you a web developer? Specifically, are you a front-end web developer? If so, you're also an Android developer and you don't even know it.
Perfect.
And what do I mean by that? So, if you make PWAs or progressive web applications, you are automatically an Android developer, and I'm going to tell you why. There's two reasons. One, with PWAs, Google has put this thing together called WebAPKs for Android. So when you go to a PWA on Chrome in your Android device, and you install to home screen, add to home screen, the Android operating system on the fly creates a special APK, signs and generates it, installs it on your application that is your PWA. It is a full APK application. Now, when you do it this way, you can't put it on the App Store. So basically, it's like they have to go to your website to install the Android app. They won't be able to go to the Play Store and search it. Now, that there is a better way, but before we get to that better way, I'm going to talk about the benefits of using the Web APK. So let's say for whatever reason you can't afford or don't want to pay for an Android developer license, but you want people to be able to enjoy your app on an Android device. This is a simple way of doing it simply by creating a PWA. It increases your visibility and reach just by that alone. But there is a better way, and that is with Android Trusted Web Activities. Now, a TWA is a special activity in an Android application that basically serves your PWA from a trusted source. So you have to verify that you, the developer who's creating the Android application, is the same developer who created the PWA. And that's done using digital asset links. Basically just a file that Google gives you. You put it up on your server and it verifies that you own that domain. Now you might be wondering, well, don't I need to be an Android developer in order to build an Android application that uses TWAs? And the answer is no, because there are some tools available that will automate that process. So all you have to worry about is just building the PWA. And the benefit of doing that way, of having an actual APK that you can upload to the Google Play console and distribute on the Google Play Store, is that you have an actual installable Android application. You have opened up your SEO to App Store optimization. So not only can people find your application on the web with Google or Yahoo or Bing, whatever, you can also find your application on the App Store, on the Google Play App Store. And that just increases your visibility in your install base, because Android is the biggest mobile operating system in the world. So there are a lot of people who like to just only use download applications, just like there are people who just like to use websites and don't like to download apps. But you're opening your app to both avenues and both gateways and both sets of users, which is just amazing. And also, in addition to the increased visibility, you're also opening yourself up to increased revenue. So let's say you have this PWA and you have it on a subdomain. It wouldn't really do well as a web app on its own, mostly because it's on a subdomain or what have you. Nobody's really looking for it. But you package it up in a TWA and you publish it on the App Store and you do some good App Store optimization, and the app doesn't make money. It's a free app, right? Like, there's no monetization to it. It's just a useful utility app. But now you can put it on the Android store and charge $1 for it, or $2 or whatever. So you just turned your free app that a lot of people would use, but it doesn't make money on its own. So now you can make money by selling it as an app. That's honestly the quickest and number one way, because a lot of times, like me, for example, I write a lot of utility apps. I don't really expect them to make money because that's not really the purpose. Initial purpose. The initial purpose is just to do what I wrote them to do. I don't really care. I have other avenues. But if I wanted to, I could sell those for $1, and I'm sure people will buy them. And then finally, it just increases your brand reputation overall. People trust brands that have apps on different platforms. So if you have a PWA, you have an iOS application, and you have an Android application, people tend to just trust you more. And of course, there's the caveats and exceptions like Clubhouse. Right now, that's an iOS exclusive. And there's reasons for doing that too. And I'm actually going to do a video talking about Clubhouse and their marketing model. But anyway, if you are a JavaScript developer and you write PWAs, you are also an Android application developer. And I actually have a new course on my website, jeromeparker.com, that shows you how to take a non-PWA, convert it into a PWA, and then convert it into an Android app, all using automated tools in under 30 minutes. And for Black History Month 2021, I have the course on sale. It is only $9.99. So please, 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 if you are a web developer and you've wanted to venture into Android development, or you already are an Android web developer, but you want a new fast-paced way to get up your apps on the App Store, check out my course, Creating a PWA and APK in Under 30 Minutes. There's a link in the description below. And like I said, right now, Black History Month 2021, it's on sale. Get it while it's on sale. I guarantee you that you will not be disappointed in the knowledge that you learn in this course. But this is Jerome Parker. If you aren't subscribed to the Code Life newsletter, head over to my website, jeromeparker.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and sign up for the Code Life newsletter. Every week I give out tips, tricks, and subscriber-only content. It's completely free, and you don't want to miss it. Talk to you all later. Master Shake out.